it's very important for us to learn from each other. This very thing that the gentleman was talking about, Rakesh ji was talking about, was one framework. As business owners, we are almost like children. We, as children, had a lot of anxieties about exams, about XYZ, about so many things. On tomorrow morning, when I get up, my exams are not going to give me the right results. Oh my God, the hell is going to break loose. And our mothers came back to break down the problem. What our mothers were doing was giving us a standard framework. They were giving us a framework of even anxiety can be broken down. It can actually be made into a system. Why don't we do that with our compensation cases? Why don't we do that with our claims coming from the customer? There are a certain set of problems, like what he said right now. Every customer will come back to say, my garment was new. I just bought it yesterday. I bought it today. This morning, my husband gifted it to me. It's invaluable. This doesn't have a value at all. You can't even imagine what loss have I gone through. But these are again problems and anxiety which are being passed on to you. You need to break it down into frameworks. We're trying to bring standards around everything so that at the end of the day, our customers are getting what they really want and they get the trust that a dry cleaner can actually give. We are, of course, talking about the impact of doing something like this. We're talking about legal vulnerabilities will go away. We're talking about any kind of legal cases having a standard response. Customer confusions will be clear. So DLEI is a fantastically large association of people coming together to bring these standards. And I don't know how many of us over here are already experiencing the kind of community building that's actually happening at DLEI. Arbitration and all of these standardization of terms is one of the subjects. But as you're talking about all the competition that we look at, DLAI is trying to really make that representation because, as Sir said, this image of Adobe is the image from where all our professional dry cleaners and launderers have actually risen. We've already come out of there, right? We feel we're professionalized. We have an image. We have a way of advertising. We have a way of actually going out there and putting a nice website, a fantastic professional company, a private limited company. We represent ourselves in a very educated way, but the image for the customer has not changed. They still do treat and they still do negotiate with you in the same way, whether it be in institutional or whether it be in B2C. They still haggle around for price, and if something goes wrong, they still talk about aaj paisa nahi kal de denge. This happens with professional dry cleaners as well. Your delivery people go there and they say, okay, fine, 4 bill ke baad paisa de dunga. Why are they not doing this with Zomato? Right? This is the question that we really need to bring, and that's only going to have when a customer is constantly educated about a standardized framework, that this is not just one another company. This is a standard way of working, sir. You know that every dry cleaner is going to follow the same system. The arbitration clause is a very important clause that we need to mention in our bills in terms and conditions, whether we are a B2C or a B2B service provider. The arbitration clause speaks very clearly. Disputes shall be subject to arbitration rules of Dry Cleaners and Launderers Association of India, DLAI. You can put that on your bill. That gives you the clarity and authority to actually invoke the arbitration committee of DLAI in the case that you have some issue with a vendor and client relation, or with a direct B2C customer and a business relation,